Hi guys, how's it going? I am going to record a little Loom video to show you how I created my ad banner. So we're going to go into Canva. Let me open up Canva. And in the search bar, I typed in ad banner. It's a 900 by 400. And then I added digital marketing. And then I hit enter to search. Now you guys can choose any template you would like to make your ad banner with, because they all can be edited and redesigned to fit what you are looking for. So I'm just going to scroll down, although these square ones are not 9 by 400. However, if you found one, for example, I'll show you, like you can click on it and then click customize template, and that'll bring you into the editor. You can then go up to resize and magic switch and actually click on custom size. And then if you don't see 900 by 400, which you might not, I didn't at first until I added it, you can type it in here. So you just go 900, the width, and then the height is 400, and then hit continue. And then it's going to ask you if you want to copy and resize or resize this design. So you can just click resize this design and it's resized it for you. Okay, that was just an example. I wanted to show you, if you did find one that was square, how you can do that. So let me go back to finding a good template. Let's see. I'm not sure where the one is that okay. I chose this one, so I'm going to choose this one again because actually I really kind of like this one. So I'm going to hit customize template, and then in here, you can change the photo. You can, these are, photos that you can get from Canva, to use from Canva. They're like stock photos. You can upload your own photos, which I have plenty of. And to do that, you click uploads and then click upload files. And then you can upload any image that you would want to use. And then it'll load in here. And it'll always stay in here once you load it in there. So you can use it on different templates and different projects. So I'm just going to click on and drag my picture over and drop it over her picture. It takes away her picture, puts mine. So how I got my brand colors is I already added my brand to the home settings. So in here, these are my brands. I got 3 different brands. I got one for my health and wellness and then my other marketing. But right now I'm just going to use the Mandy Lacefield. So once your brand gets in there, your color palettes, once you save them, will be shown down here, and you can just click shuffle and find which design you like the best. So I actually like the darker blue over the lighter blue. So then these are grouped together. So what we want to do is left click, oops, not that. So we want to left click and highlight. Okay, don't move that. I'll move it first, but highlight it. And then we go ungroup. There we go. So they're not grouped together. So I'm going to put this back over here. It's by layers. So you can, actually you can right click and then layer, and then you can move it backwards or forward over them. So right now we have it so they're not grouped together. Because if they were grouped together, the whole thing would move, and it'd be easy. Actually, it would make it harder to edit. So here, I just took this out and I just typed in discover, and then I took out agency because I don't think I'm really an agency. So I just took agency out and I left, oops, talk about misspelling here, dyslexia. Okay, dyslexic much. Okay, and then you can actually move these to, like where you think would be the best. I try to align them up, but it's the best I can. And then I just added my own stuff here. Like instead of grow your business, I put start your own business. And then okay, I'm going to move this box up. Okay, so you can after you get it all set, you can move it around. And then I put no experience needed. Oops. And you can put what you want here. I'm just giving this an example as to what I did. And try to line this up. I'm not very good at aligning stuff. And then down here, you really want to take out really great site because that's like no site. And just add your own site here. For example, mine is Mandy Lacefield's freedompath.com. So, and then I'm going to stretch this to make it all on one. There we go. All on one line. And I'm going to move this over a little bit, try to line it up with the rest of this. Although I'm not very good at lining it, you can tell. But you can. The purple lines tell you where you are. Sometimes it tells you where you're in the center or where you're lined up. So if you actually want to group this stuff back, move this back. So what you do is you highlight it, and then this box, will pop up. You hit group, and it ties them together, so you can move the whole thing around. Now, I'll move this back over here, and that's how I made my ad banner. I'm gonna move this over. I'm so horrible at lining stuff up, and then we just click share and then download, and then you can download it onto your, I guess the size is a little bit big. I guess I could have done that. That's something new I just learned. So that's how you download it onto your computer and be able to add it into your ads or your posts or anything that you would like to advertise with. And that's how we make ad banners in Canva. All right, guys, I'm logging on.